Yep, another fall. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of One Take Sunday. And if you might have noticed at the beginning of the last episode and at the beginning of this episode, have a couple falls on the motorcycle. Yeah, we have a bunch of those to come. Don't worry, people. We'll get there. We'll get there. Here we are today. We finished the last episode at Italian Bar Camp, the old mining camp. And we're going to go play on the dirt here. It's out by Columbia. We're going to go to a nice place eventually off the dirt, obviously. Look at that river. Is that gorgeous there? Andy's. We're going to go to Mosquito Lake, and we have a special musical guest for you. It's not me. Somebody else. Hey, let's go hit the dirt.
Hey Bob, can you hear me? One second. Can you hear me? Okay, Bob, I think we're off the track right now. We're off the map. I'm with you. Okay, I'll be up in a second. So the next crossroad, we'll be turning right. I did, but this shows it goes through. Oh, but we run the risk that it doesn't. We gotta be cognizant of that. I got rock straps. Strap them side to side across the back. Right here, right? little dusty.
Yeah, a little dirt. A little bit of dirt.
All this came out from behind Pete's bike. It's all over the front of mine.
And see this? That's all. Actually, I'm not too bad, Bob.
Yeah, you're not bad.
I didn't eat too much of your dust. I did. Well, I had to go slow. You guys are too fast. Please like and subscribe now. Yeah, so our late lunch at Andy's Hamburger was so good. Oh my gosh, if you're ever in Miwok, I think it's Miwok Village, check it out. So yeah, we get up on Ebbets Pass and we get to Mosquito Lake, and if you've seen any of my other videos, you know how much I love Mosquito Lake. It is like, look at it. It looks like something out of a fairy tale or a Steinbeck novel, or it's just really gorgeous. And I always love stopping here, and it's great to stop here with Pete and Bob. Gorgeous lake here. And we get out, and this is the first time I've walked these supposedly trapper cabins. Now, I've been told you can stay free at these cabins. All you have to do is just sign the check-in list. This was told to me again in one of my other videos. If you see we're sitting on that cute gas station attendant, we walk over. Oh, and this is cool. We just walk along this little path here. It just reminds me of being a kid, you know, just adventuring with my pals. And so I don't know what the exact story is to these cabins. You know, it looks like somebody's kind of been at that last one there. Oh, look at this lake. Just gorgeous views. There's the bikes. Oh, I love my bike. Oh, and yeah, don't worry, guys. That side case is going to be trashed later on. Foreshadowing. Yeah, don't worry. We're going to get to all the falls later. Oh. That girl at the gas station lied to me. She said anybody could stay there. Darn, I was really hoping we could see inside. I was doing, and it looks like somebody actually lives here. Like, this is their cabin. I will check it out, so the next time I see this, I'm going to have more information on this cabin. Oh, doing a little investigation of the cabins up at Mosquito Lakes. And found buried here in the USDA Forest Service website that these cabins, these summer cabins on the south side, are National Forest Recreation Residences. So park rangers and stuff like that, I assume, visitors are free to use the entire shoreline so long as they respect the cabins themselves as private property. And we did greatly respect the cabins themselves. You know, we didn't try to break in or anything like that. We just peeped through some windows and stuff. And how could anybody know? It's just so gorgeous up there. And boy, you know, thank you to the park rangers for the service you provide. And, you know, rightfully so, you should be staying at such beautiful residences up there. And they are beautiful, to say the least. Yeah, so we meet these campers. They're camping down the road here. And they're just kind of searching out the lay of the land like we were. And, you know, it's fun on these motorcycle trips. Boy, I tell you, all the conversations we get into with not only fellow travelers, but people just interested in what we're doing. It's fun. And we usually talk to a lot of people. So we rolled off and we hit into town. Here's Arnold here. And the Italian place we were going to go to is closed. So we heard that there's like a Taco Tuesday with some music at the coffee shop down the street. Well, check this out. We roll up to the coffee shop to get some tacos, and it's a full-on concert. It's amazing to listen to this music. Yeah, how's this? We weren't expecting this, and how awesome is this to be at? It's a really awesome night here, to say the least. Good food, good crowd, I'm getting old, staying young, hanging with my motorcycle brothers. Woo! Yeah, boy, she can play and sing, can't she? She's amazing. Again, I can't believe we got to run into this out of nowhere. We weren't expecting any of this, and the tacos are great. And so, oh, here's the harmonica guy. So if you remember in the last episode where we talk about the harmonica guy and the guitar girls, this is it. This is the foreshadowing coming into conclusion, but just great. Oh, such a great way to come up and end the night here. Some good food, good music, good friends. I'm not sure what's up with those little light artifacts. I hope my camera's okay there. My iPhone camera. Oh, we got to hang out with Minnie. Minnie was such a cool dog. Oh, she was wonderful. So well behaved and just fun to hang out with. What a great evening, and we pull out here. What a great way to end the day. And just for full transparency, the Mosquito Lake and this was actually on day 1, but I blended it into the Italian bar day 2 trip. Just the consistency to make the story kind of fit as best as I can. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't worry, we're going to get to the crazy section of Monitor Pass soon, where I dropped my bike, 3, 4, 5 times, and I went down hard a couple of times. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment, and I will catch you on the next episode. Thanks so much for watching.